In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a pay run in your payroll system. We're going to walk through the essential clicks to launch a new pay run, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what each screen is doing for you. By the end, you'll feel confident initiating the process without second guessing what comes next. Begin on your payroll dashboard and click on Payroll. This is your central hub for everything related to employee compensation. Think of it as the control center where your pay schedules, tax settings, and employee pay data are organized. If your organization has multiple locations or entities, make sure you're viewing the correct one before you proceed so your actions apply to the right team. Next, click on Pay Employees. This area focuses specifically on paying your team rather than setup or reports. It typically brings together your active pay schedules and any recent or upcoming runs. Entering here keeps you in a clean, task-focused space so you're not distracted by broader settings while you prepare to run payroll. On the left side, click on Add Pay Run. This is the command that creates a new pay run container, where the system will later gather hours, salaries, and any default benefits or deductions tied to the chosen period. If your window is narrow, the left panel might collapse. Expand it if needed so you can clearly see the option. A pay run is simply a bundle: the people you're paying, the time frame you're paying them for, and the rules that determine what gets included. Now, select a payment period. Choose the period that matches your normal cadence: weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly, and make sure the dates align with the work period you intend to pay. This choice tells the system which timesheets or salaried intervals to pull in, and it also helps align employer taxes, benefits, and any scheduled deductions with the correct paycheck. If you changed pay schedules recently, double-check you're selecting the right one so employees land in the correct cycle. Finally, click on Next. This moves you forward and prompts the system to prepare the pay run shell based on your selections. Behind the scenes, it gathers the eligible employees and the period data so you can review totals, make adjustments if needed, and proceed with calculations on the next screen. Think of this as the moment you stage everything for review. No payments are issued yet. By clicking Next, you're simply setting the table for the detailed review that follows. And that's it. You clicked Payroll, selected Pay Employees, chose Add Pay Run on the left, picked your payment period, and hit Next to prepare your run. Great job getting your pay run started.